Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you some inexpensive but beautiful Christmas gifts that I made using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my Glam bathroom accessories, I picked up 2 dispensers from the Dollar Tree as well as 2 packages of their Mosaic towels and some fix-all adhesive. This gift is super simple to make. I'm simply using the mirror mosaic stickers to glam up my Dollar Tree bathroom accessories. These mosaic stickers are self-adhesive, but I'm adding the additional fix-all adhesive to ensure that the stickers stay in place over time. If you're unable to find these mosaic stickers in your stores, you can also purchase them on Amazon, or you can use the Dollar Tree diamond wrap or gemstone stickers to glam up your bathroom accessories as well. For my ceramic candles, I used 2 of the Dollar Tree candle holders, 2 packages of their apple cinnamon fragrance oil, 2 of their tall unscented candles, and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was melt my wax in boiling water. Once it was melted, I removed the wick and I added the fragrance oil to the wax once it cooled for about 10 minutes. I then used my hot glue gun to attach that same wick to the center of my candle holder. Next, I simply poured that hot wax into my candle holder. Here's how much wax I had from one of the unscented candles, but you can always add more. You'll simply allow the wax to cool, then cut the wick, and then allow 24 hours before burning your candle. For my perfume bottle candle holders, I used 2 of the Dollar Tree Tower wood games, as well as 2 of their Octagon mirrors, 2 of their square mirrors, some of their self-adhesive diamond wrap, as well as 1 package of their Tealight Candleholders. I used these 2-inch mirrors that I purchased from JoAnns for 99 cents, as well as some black acrylic paint that I already had, some strong adhesive, my glue gun, and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was remove the black tabs from my mirrors, and then I used my hot glue to attach some of the wood pieces to the back of my first mirror. I then added 2 additional layers of the wood pieces to the mirror. I then painted the sides of my wood pieces with my black acrylic paint. Once that paint was dry, I used a combination of a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach the second octagon mirror right on top. I later decided that I wanted a taller neck for my perfume bottle, so I added 2 additional wood pieces and I painted those pieces black as well. I repeated those steps to make a second candle holder, but I used the square mirrors instead. Next, I covered the sides of both candle holders with my self-adhesive diamond wrap. I then used a strong adhesive to attach the 2-inch mirrors to both sides of each of the candle holders. Two hours later, I used a strong adhesive to attach one of the diamond cut Tealight candle holders on top. Once that was dry, I added additional diamond wrap. And finally, for my rotating tray, I used one of these Lazy Susans that I picked up from Amazon, one of these large beveled mirrors that I picked up from Michael's, as well as some crystals that I purchased from JoAnns, some of the Dollar Tree mirror mosaic stickers, and my strong adhesive. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I use for all projects down in the description box. This isn't a Dollar Tree DIY, but it was also super easy and inexpensive to make. I simply added the mosaic stickers to my Lazy Susan. I then used my strong adhesive to attach that Lazy Susan to the bottom of my round beveled mirror. I let this dry for about an hour, and then I carefully flipped my mirror over and began adding my crystals. This package of crystals comes with 2 different sizes. I only used the large crystals for this project, and because I had a few extra from a previous project, I only needed 1 package to complete my tray. The strong adhesive will cloud these crystals, so I'm carefully adding the glue just to the tip of each of the crystals. I adjust the crystals as needed, and I allow my tray to dry for a complete 24 hours. So there you have it, guys, 4 inexpensive and easy Christmas gifts that you can make for either yourself or for someone special. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.